In a wide pan on medium heat, add vegetable oil. Fry the plantain strips on one side until they have browned slightly. Turn over and repeat. Leave about 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Cook onions for 3 minutes on medium-low temperature. Then break the beef into crumbles while cooking it until it's medium. Add sofrito, sazon seasoning, adobo seasoning, dried oregano, orange bell pepper, pimento stuffed olives, cilantro. Add capers, cook for about 2 minutes. Then mix tomato sauce into the beef. Turn the heat off of the pan as you assemble the layers. Start with fried plantains on the bottom. Add half of your beef, followed by the cheese, another layer of plantain strips, the remains of your beef. Pour the beaten eggs on top of the beef, and place the last few plantains on top of the egg. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and bake for 20 minutes uncovered. Add cheese, spray some cooking oil on top of oil, cover, then place the dish back in the oven for 5 minutes. When it's done, sprinkle on cilantro, allow the dish to cool for 15 minutes, and enjoy your Puerto Rican Pastelon with your best friends.